Sometimes I
Yes.
tell people, do you know the stars have names? Or I tell people, I could tell you the name of this star, and they're like,
Uh,
stars have names. So,
Huh. Okay. So I don't know anything about Nigerian law school, but I do know about American law schools. And when you show up at American law schools and talk about space law, most people, well, okay, maybe now it's different, but 20 years ago when I started law school, most people had no idea what I was talking about. And in fact, I even asked a professor and she had no idea. So I knew I had to figure it out for myself, at least figure out a pathway for myself. So my question to you is, when you started in your legal education, was that in it? Were you interested in space law already? And how did you manage to figure out, what your options were?
well, I should start by saying I'm still trying to figure out my options, really,
Hmm.
because right now,
Okay.
I mean, as Space Watch Global, I'm not really into space law and policy. I'm more
Hmm.
of space journalism, if you call it that.
Okay.
And personally, I think I'm looking to space data analysis, maybe going
Hmm.
for a new project I'm thinking about delving into. So I'm
Hmm.
still finding my career path in space.
Hmm.
Sorry, what was the first part of the question again?
Well, my question was about space law in Nigerian law schools. I mean, do people even know what it is? Because here, most people still don't know what it is. No.
Space itself, much less space law, is
Yeah.
is still pretty, abstract to a lot of people. Sometimes I
Yes.
tell people, do you know the stars have names? Or I tell people I could tell you the name of this star, and they're like,
Uh,
stars have names. So
Huh.
I
Okay.
think if you're not professionally interested, if you don't have the passion, a lot of people don't
Yeah.
know it exists to begin with.
Well, sadly, I think most Americans also don't know that the stars have names. So it's a global problem.